Imagine sitting in your living room, sipping your favorite coffee, and running a business that reaches customers in New York, London, Tokyo, and Nairobi without ever stepping outside your door. That's the power of a digital business. Fast global expansion from anywhere. No shipping containers, no international offices, no massive overheads. Just your phone, your laptop, and the right digital skills. To grow globally, you need to do the following. 1. Break free from local limitations. Let's face it, a physical shop has walls, literally and financially. You can only serve customers who walk through the door. Your income is tied to your opening hours. Your growth depends on location, rent, and foot traffic. The amazing fact is, the internet never closes. With one click, your message can cross oceans. With one advertisement, your product can land in a stranger's feed on the other side of the world. Think about Jeff Bezos. In the early days of Amazon, he started in a garage selling books, but his vision wasn't limited to one city. Bezos built systems that could scale his bookshop globally. That's why today, when you order something on Amazon, it could be shipped from across the world. The second thing that you need to grow globally is combine skills and the internet to create a global business. The internet plus skills together create an unlimited opportunity. You don't need warehouses. You don't need hundreds of staff. You don't need millions in capital. You just need to learn digital skills. Digital skills are the new global currency. You will find the skills in the blueprint of the top digital training program. You do not have to waste time browsing in the internet wilderness. You don't start from scratch. The skills are packaged in a ready-made digital training program. The training program is top in the fastest growing online education industry. The training program shows you how to attract customers globally. The program teaches you how to set up automation systems that let your business work from anywhere and at all times. The result is that you work from home to the world. Here is the testimony of a learner after taking the training program. Sarah, over 40 years old, joined the digital training program. She did not have a big budget, no fancy office, just her phone and a dream. Within weeks, she learned how to set up her digital store. She ran simple ads on Facebook and YouTube. Suddenly, her product, a digital education program, started being purchased in Canada, the UK, and South Africa. Her neighbors still see her in her garden every morning, but online, she's running a global empire. The third thing to grow globally is fast expansion with digital ads. In the past, going global meant hiring distributors, opening foreign branches, and mountains of paperwork. But now, you can run a single ad campaign that reaches a customer in Europe wanting to learn digital skills, a mom in Africa seeking income from home, a retiree in Australia looking for a second chance to make money for retirement. With digital ads, your shop window is the whole world. Why going global works anywhere is because this opportunity is future-proof. Digital education is exploding. The e-learning industry is projected to surpass $400 billion soon. The magic of automation is that it multiplies your effort. One system that can serve thousands of customers simultaneously. You are able to access the borderless economy. The internet erases physical barriers. With automation, you can now sell in any time zone. That means whether you're in Nairobi, Manila, or Miami, your earning potential is the same. To go global, you need to adopt a new mindset for global thinking. To grow globally, you first have to think globally. Mark Zuckerberg didn't just build a social app for his Harvard dorm. He built Facebook to connect the entire planet. Your digital business can do the same, on your chosen scale. With the right mindset, you're not a small shop owner. You're a global entrepreneur. And it starts with one decision: learning. This is the role of the digital training program. The program teaches you step-by-step how to, Level 1, set up your foundation and launch your first digital product to the world. Level 2, the training program teaches you, step-by-step, how to attract customers globally using social media platforms, how to attract customers using TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. In Level 3, the digital training program teaches you how to create multiple streams of income and affiliate partnerships. Level 4 teaches you how to expand your business worldwide. The program teaches you how to create your own digital products, like how to create a digital book. The program also teaches you how to promote and advertise your own products globally. It's not theory, it's practice. You learn, you apply, and you grow. You are not alone on this journey. you will get mentorship from coaches and a supportive community. The most important tool that you get is an automated business system. It is easy to set up. You only need to learn how to plug and play, just like you do when you buy a new TV at home. Let's play a quick game. Close your eyes and imagine. Your phone buzzes at midnight. It's a notification. You've made a sale. You wake up in the morning, check your phone or laptop, and realize you sold 10 products overnight in 3 different countries. While your neighbor is still preparing to open their local shop at 9 in the morning, your business has already earned you money before breakfast. That's the power of automation with a global reach. Remember what Nelson Mandela said: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Use the digital training program to change your life. When you invest in your education, you will learn new digital skills. The lessons will not only change your life, the lessons will also change your family's future. You will also be expanding your world and opportunities. This is a testimony from John, a 52-year-old retiree. He thought he was too old for tech, but using the top digital training program, he built a digital business that now earns him $2,000 per month from customers in 3 continents. John says, "I thought the world had left me behind, but now I'm ahead." Your dream life is just one step away. Don't let geography or age hold you back. Don't let fear of technology stop you. The tools, the training, and the mentorship are ready for you inside the training program. Comment interested below, and I'll send you more information. Thank you for watching. If you find this information useful, kindly press the like button. Your kind action will spread this information to another person who may be looking for this kind of help.